All right, it's January 4th, 2022, and I was just leaving Jamestown, North Carolina, to head over to Pleasant Garden, North Carolina, and I saw this roadside marker for the Oakdale School, 1912, built by Oakdale Mill and served by teachers from the county. This one-room schoolhouse operated until 1943 when it merged with the Jamestown School. The front sections on either side of the door provide separate boys and girls cloakrooms, as well as storage for lunches and fuel for the potbelly stove. The school also functions as a neighborhood social meeting place. Yeah, so that's cool. I just wanted to stop in here real quick and give you a look at it. Old Riff parked down there on the side of the road, still running, so I can't stay long. Yeah, this is how they went to school back in the day. Maybe that was a flag that went on top there. So I guess he took the steps down. You can't see in us. Shame. Yeah, beautiful. Let's look right down here real quick. I don't know if you can see in there or not. Yeah, it looks like they're working on it. So that's cool. So hopefully they'll provide a little parking space in here when they get it done. Maybe open that up for people to go in. Got a little heat in there on it now, but you can see the chimney where that potbelly stove would have been. Yeah, imagine going to school back in those days. Cool little building here in North Carolina. Hope you enjoyed it. Y'all take care.